regulation station in San Salvo was very interesting for me. I could spot two leaks on the piping system leaking to a George. On one side, one of the flange, one of the connector between the two piping was leaking. I thought I did my job correctly, but actually there were two leaks and not only one. There is one here and one over there. I can actually show what the thermal camera shows. So we can clearly see the first leak, which is here with the plume over there of methane, and the second one being here. This piping is probably poorly tightened. The bolts that we can see here is not tightened enough. That's why we need to have leak detection and repair programs that are thorough and done regularly in order to spot every leak and be sure that the network is integrally closed. Another example that we could find in another regulation station in the region is linked to these flanges. At this specific part, where we see different bolts, we found a quite large source of emission. This is the up-close video, and we can see over here methane coming out. Doesn't need to be a specialist of gas in order to understand that these bolts are not tightened enough and should be fixed in order to avoid to have this source of methane. Another example that we could find in another station is on this pipeline. The same issue happens. There is not enough stress on the piping, and so the gas is just escaping.